In this video we are going to show you how to remove the radio, CD player, navigation, the touch screen from a Toyota Prius 2015, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and size 10 millimeter socket, and that's about it. And the removal is very simple. The first thing you do is just pop out the cover around the shifter, and the next thing you do is just pop this the side panel. There you go. And then you pop the bezel around the radio. Make sure you leave some cloth over the dashboard so it doesn't get a scratch, and you put it on the side. And then you pop out the ignition key, this push button switch. You leave it out, and now you can see the mounting screws for the radio. There are 4 of them. Go on this side, and then 2 on the passenger side. And once you remove those 4 bolts, then you can remove the radio, CD player, navigation. And if you need any repair for this unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. And also, just to remind you, sometimes when you remove this radio, and then you might get some error message on the screen after you install the radio. So what we do in most cases, we just need to hide the ignition switch so the car goes to sleep, and when you remove the radio and then you put it back in, you don't get any error message on the dashboard cluster. And if you do get the error message, it's nothing important. You just need to have it reset by the computer at your local mechanic shop.